Hey you, and welcome to this quick video where I will show you how to add music to your Instagram post. Alright, first of all we have to open our Instagram application. From there we have to tap on the plus icon in the bottom. I want to upload this mouse with music, so I tap on the picture and then do next. From here there is one setting that is important for us, because right in the top you will see the music icon. Tap on that. And now we can add the music that we want. So I want a number of Travis Scott. So I will search Travis Scott. And I want My Eyes. From here we can choose the part of the song that we want to use. So this is fine. Let's do next. Let's do share. Now the picture is posting and I just have to wait for the post. And from here I can see this is my picture with the number of Travis Scott under it, and this is how it works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like, and I wish you a very good day. Ciao.